The best thing about Interstate batteries is really that they're the battery experts. Interstate batteries helped us out a lot when we first got started using their services and their products. Valley Dynamo is a manufacturer of all different types of game tables, bar tables. Day to day, Interstate batteries has always helped us quickly get replacements and solve problems. Our experience with Interstate Batteries customer service has always been awesome. They're always incredibly reachable. They help us out very quickly when we need it. And a really big thing for us is that they're on top of getting us what we need when we have an issue immediately. Being in a manufacturing business, if something goes wrong and your line shuts down, you're literally losing money by the second. We would, of course, recommend Interstate batteries to whoever we can. They have really helped strengthen our brand over the years, and we'd love the opportunity to be able to return that favor and tell who we can and help other people that we know out there solve the same issues that we've had.